Hi, my name is Wesley Coe, and I am a third-year biochemistry major.
And I'm Misty Webster, and I'm a fourth-year music major.
And today we will be working on a problem from Chapter 3.3, problem number 12. A serving of blue Gatorade is 240 milliliters. Each serving has 14 grams of sugar. The LD50 for fructose is 4,000 milligrams per kilogram, oral RET. The molar mass of fructose is 180 grams per mole, and we will be solving this step by step in the following slides. Now, before defining what an LD50 is, let's talk about MSDS, Material Safety Data Sheets. Now, this definition is taken straight from your Absorption Spectroscopy lab manual. And what a material safety data sheet is, it's an OSHA-required chemical information sheet provided by manufacturers, etc., and distributors of chemicals. An MSDS must describe the hazardous properties of the chemical and the procedures and protective equipment necessary to handle the chemical safely.
So an LD50 is the lethal dose or amount of a substance that it would take to kill 50% of a population. And you can see the definition on your screen that is pulled from your lab manual. LD50 substances are generally tested on rats, but the LD50 itself can be applied to humans based on their body weight. And the LD50 is generally expressed in milligrams per kilogram of body weight. So if we look at part A of the problem, it's asking us to assume that all of the sugar in the Gatorade is fructose and asking how many servings would you need to ingest to receive the LD50 dose. Notice how we're not given the person's body weight. We will be using the average weight of 80 kilograms in this problem. So first, let's write down what we know. So we know the LD50 for fructose is 4,000 milligrams per kilogram. One serving of blue Gatorade is 240 milliliters. One serving of Gatorade also has 14 grams of sugar. Let's convert that 14 grams to milligrams, which would be 14,000 milligrams. So first we need to find the number of milligrams that it would take to kill an 80 kilogram person. So to find this value, all we need to do is multiply the LD50 value by the person's body weight. And that'll give us about 320,000 milligrams of fructose to kill this person. So we know that it would take 320,000 milligrams of fructose to kill an 80 kilogram person, but now we need to find out how many servings of blue Gatorade that is. Remember that we had 14,000 milligrams of fructose per serving. So to find the number of servings, all we do is divide the 320,000 milligrams by 14,000 milligrams. And that'll give us about 22.86 servings of the blue Gatorade that it would take to reach this LD50. If you want to relate this value to bottles of Gatorade, it would take about 23 8-ounce bottles to kill an 80 kilogram person.
Now let's move on to part B. Assuming that all of the sugar in Gatorade is fructose, what is the concentration in molarity of fructose in Gatorade? So this is essentially a dimensional analysis problem. Now let's think about the units for molarity. It's moles per liter. Now if we have 14 grams of sugar per serving, we're going to need to convert that into moles of sugar or fructose per serving. So how are we going to do that? Let's see. We have 14 grams of sugar per serving and 180 grams of sugar per mole. And by sugar, I mean fructose. And now if we just multiply that out, we get about 0.0778 moles of fructose, or sugar, per serving. Now, notice that we're also given volume units, 240 milliliters. And now, if the concentration units for molarity is moles per liter, we just need to convert this 240 milliliters into liters. And that's a simple conversion, which is just 240 milliliters times 1,000 milliliters in 1 liter equals 0.240 liters. Cool. Now, all we need to do now is divide the moles of fructose per serving by our volume units. So we get 0.0778 moles of fructose per serving divided by 0.240 liters, which gives us 0.324 molar, which is moles per liter in a serving of Gatorade. We hope you found this video instructive and edifying. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching!